Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to use PicsArt app. So if you don't know what is PicsArt, I will tell you. It's a editing app for editing pictures, videos, adding backgrounds, text, anything you may do on this app. So today I will show you how to use this app. So for this you have to download, if you are on Android phone, I will give you the link of the app in the description so you can check out from there. So let's open the app. So after opening you will see some interface like this. So these are the tutorials. So if you want to try them you can try them, but I will show you from myself how to use. So first is edit a photo. You can edit photo or add any photo in them, or effects, text, anything you may do on this. Edit a video, make and collage background. So these are the things on PicsArt you will see. You can also get some challenges here, and this is your profile, this is discovers and home. So let's edit a photo first, and if you want this you can get subscription from the Play Store. So second is tools. From this tools, first is crop. You can crop the photo with any size you want. Here is square, anything that you want you can crop. So I will not crop this photo, but if you want you can crop. Second is dispersion. So in this dispersion you got something like this. So let's create the area and see what happens. Tap to disperse. So this is actually what it happens. So if you want you can try. This is the size. Okay, let's move on another one. This is clone. So in the clone you will suppose I have turned it here, then tap here and size. This is what is doing the clone just moves your picture up and down like this you are seeing on my screen. Okay, the next is remove. This is of gold. So if you buy gold you will get this option. Next is stretched. So I am love because I love this one. This is amazing. This is amazing for making some funny faces. This is what it get looks. So if you want to try you can. It will for making some funny faces you can try this. So let's move on to another one. Next is motion. So guys, in the motion I think so you have turned in the motion and go to free. This is what the motion do. Okay, so you have seen this is the motion do. Next is selection. You can select your area all over rectangle or any that you want. You can select the area from here. Next is curves. Curves is a very important in editing. This is the temperature very high and this is very low darken. So if you want you can also use this. Next is adjust. Contrast. If you want to increase or decrease it looks good in both. Clarity. सेचुरेशन से सिंपली होता है, सबसे पहले ब्लैक एंड वाइट होता है, फिर उससे थोड़ा ग्रेटर, उससे बेटर, फिर एकदम से येलोइश टाइप होता है. देन हुई में द कलर इज़ चेंजिंग. एंड इन हाईलाइट्स दिस इज समथिंग इट लुक्स. एंड इन शेडोज़ यू विल गेट शेडोज़. टेम्परेचर इज़ येलोइश एंड ब्लूइश. ओके, लेट्स मूव ऑन द अनदर वन. अनदर इज़ एनहेंस. The enhance is like this. If you want you can enhance or saturation. Next is tilt shift. If you want, like I want this part to be clear and all the part to be blurry, so I will choose this will help you a lot. And you can also set the amount how blurry you want. So yeah, this is the use of this. So in the perspective what happens for making for making the photo for making the photo tilt or for making the photo move up like this, you can use the perspective app. This helps in editing of our idols in their followers increasing like this. We use it. Then is resize. You can select the width and height of the image. Next is flip or rotate. You can flip it and rotate it, anything you want you can do this. So this is the part. of tools. Next is effects. So in the effects, you gonna see some. First and simple, you will see the Doodle, BRL2. These are amazing effects. You should try. These will get you amazing look. So next is retouch. In the retouch, you can add some more beauty on your photo. So it is added. Okay. Next is face and wrinkle and eye bag. Flemish fix is on gold, so you can try. If you will buy gold, you can try it smooth. In the smooth, your photo will get smoother than the original one. So manual, in the manual, you will when you brush on this screen, your photo will get softer. So this is how it looks. This is the before and this is after. So in second, face fix, that is what your area of the skin you want to more more whitish, more blackish, you can do it. Next is skin tone. In what type of skin tone you want. So I want this type, so I will just edit. Okay, so this is the type of skin tone, or you can add any skin tone from here. Next one is hair color. You can also change the colors of the hair. There are many colors you want, you can change. I love this effect. I love this one. So this is very over, so I have done the amount slow and erase it. Okay, next is details. You can, so in the details, wherever you brush, you will get the details. Very detailing photo you will get. So as you can watch this is the detailing. Next is eye color. You can also change the eye color, but in this photo I will show you. I think in this photo you will can't see because the eyes are up. So this is what the eye color change. You can erase if the eyeball is something here. So this is how it looks. Okay, the next one is teeth whiten. In the teeth whiten, your teeth will get whiter. You can erase the part which you don't want. This is the old teeth and this is the after one, after adding the whitened teeth. Okay, next is reshape. This is similar like one I told you before. You can reduce or restore or enlarge, refine any photo you want. For making funny photos you can use. Next is red eye. The eye will get red, I think. You can also increase the size of your eye. Okay, this is what retouch. And in the stickers, you will get amazing stickers, or you can search the stickers from here. So here recent, you can choose any stickers you want and you can search from here. Okay, in the cutout, for example, you have to cut a person, so and add them to another photo. You can also do this. Outline or shape prop also you can do. For example, just for example, I have done this. So this is how it looks. And any text that you want. For example, I am adding here Avneet Kaur. Okay, so here you can do any, you can change the text, you can change the color of the text, you can stroke a text, you can increase or decrease the capacity, blend it from screen, multiply, darken, anything you can do. And in the shadow, you will get the shadow to the text, bend it. Okay, this is how the text works. Next is add photo. Any photo, or you can cut out the photo and paste it to the another one. It helps us in editing. So if you want, you can add any photo like this. So this is the add photo, helps us. Next is fit. Fit is what you want the background for your photo. Any background you want, you can add any background to your photo. Yeah, this is what the background works. And you can also choose any image from your gallery, or increase or decrease the shadow. Next is brushes. Brushes has like this filters, sparkles, hearts, leaves. This has many filters, rainbow, flowers. So if you want, you can also add the rainbow here. Okay, next one is border. You can also add border to your photo, how outer you want, inner or radius, inside. This is what the border works. Capacity also, you can do the capacity of your border. Next is mask. In the mask, this has many filters. You can choose any one of them. This is of gold, so you can try if you want. Next is draw. So in the draw section, we can made an cartoon picture. So if you want how to make that cartoon picture, you can comment me. I will show there how to make the picture. Or you can also draw anything, any shape that you want. So suppose I have done here this one. So this is the line I have to draw. Like these you can do anything. This is what, like this you can do. And you can also add objects. Next is lens flare. So in this you can add any one of them and add to the eyes. This will look like a devil one. For example, like this. This is it. This is how it works. You can blend it to lighten or add. Next is shape mask. In the shape mask, suppose I choose here this, and I multiply. You can multiply screen or add any one of them. I've clicked here. This is how it turns. Next is frame. You can add frames to your photo, like photo frames we add now. For example, birthday. If suppose you want to add a birthday frame, you can also add, or there are different frames. You can pinch and pinch out your photo to due to the size of the frame. Okay, next is call out. In this, you can add any text that you want. Suppose Avneet is saying hi, so I will add. So you can also change the color and the text and the capacity and blend screen. So this is how the PicsArt edit a photo options you will get, and you can download your photo from here. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Then like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel, and also comment me if you want how to make a cartoon type photo. I will also make a video on that. Thanks for watching.